Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is lesson number 3 in our preparation course for planning engineers. In this lesson, we will talk about the Microsoft Excel fundamentals for planning engineers. Microsoft Excel is a very important planning tool for planning engineers. If you don't know how to professionally deal with Excel, I guarantee that you will never be a professional planning engineer. However, I will cover in this lesson the fundamental skill in Excel for planning engineers, and as we go through the course lessons, I will tell you more until we cover everything we need. What should I know as a planning engineer in Excel? The basic Excel skills for planning engineers are equal to medium level for a normal user. I mean for something like conditional format, if formula, VLOOKUP formula, and some if formula are fundamental and basic for planning engineer. It is not enough to know how to create a formula or use a certain order in Excel. The most important thing is to know how or to know what is the application on planning, i.e. how this tool or formula will help me doing my job faster and more accurate. First, how to make a simple formula in Excel. To make a simple formula in Excel, it is very easy. This is the Excel, Microsoft Excel 2010, and I'm not going to explain what is the use of each menu here or each order. Just we'll go through directly and let's see if we know, if we want to make a formula, what we should do. Let's call this column A, and let's call this column B, and let's put this column value 10 and this column B value 20. To make a formula here, let's call it result. Simply I want to make A plus B, so I'll type equal A plus B. Simple as this. So this, the result here equal to 10 plus 20, it is equal to 30. The same concept, but whatever you want here. So this could be plus, could be minus, this could be this one, whatever the three samples we have here. This was the first thing we should know in Excel. Okay, second thing, how to format the Excel cell, number or date or percentage or decimal, and the decimal. If I want to make this format as a number, let's make it 10,000. And I want to format this as a number, just I will right click here, format cells, and I'll choose a number. I can choose a decimal here. I can use a separator. So this is formatted, the Excel is reading it as a number. What if I want to make a date? Let's say 1st January 2014. This Excel automatically will recognize it is a date. However, we can format this date. Let's right click, format cells, and choose a date. We have here too many formats. So my favorite format, something like this, and press OK. With the same concept, we can format the percentage. Let's say we have here 0.2. and we want to format this 0.2 as a percentage. Just to right click here, format cells again, and instead of number or this one, we'll make it a percentage. We can choose the decimals and press OK. Okay, how to align cells, left, right, center, merge and split cells. Just this is already aligned to the right. If I want to align to the left, I'll just click this left, or maybe I'll make it center. I can select all these cells and make them center or left or right. So this is very easy. If I want to merge more than one cell, let's say I want to merge these two cells into one cell, just I'll select them, and from format cells I'll click align and then merge cells. Okay, a warning message telling me that the some data will be lost, and then okay. If I don't want, I want to split this cell, these cells again, just right click format cells and then remove the merge cells. Another way to merge cells with this, because this order are going to use too much in our Excel, just select whatever you want and then click merge and center. So merging cells is very easy in Excel. Going through how to format a group of cells and make a border and fill and font and create tables. A group of cells. Just select these cells, right click, format cells, border, make inside and outside. This is simply will make these cells in a form of table. If I want to make this one a header, I want to fill it with some color, just put the color here and you should see this color. Okay, if I want to put some value here, I can add value, or I can make it formula. Let's say this, instead of date we'll make it a number, so make it 500. Then we want to change it to number, so right click, format cells and number, choose number. Okay, and I want to make a formula, this equals this by this. So I can insert columns, I can insert rows, I can insert columns. This is very easy process. Just I'm telling you a general idea, and while we are working on the in our project, you are going to learn automatically how to do all of this. How to use F formula in Excel. The F formula in Excel very important and very effective. So I'm going to type some formula here. F formula is based on some logic. So the logic, you are telling the Excel, if condition A happen, then do this action A, and if condition A not happen, do the action B. So let's say we will add a column here, and let's call this one action, let's call this condition, and let's call this one action. What is the condition? I'll type here equal if, then the logical test is the condition. This one greater than, let's say 2000. Then the action, if this true, I will take the value of this cell. The action, if the condition is false, I will take the value of this cell. Let's see. So let's put here 100. The result here is 100. Why? Because this one is greater than 2000. So let's put this one 1500. So it will go to the action number 2. This is very simple formula. We are going to use it too much in our project. So I'm giving you an early stage just to practice on it and research on the internet how to use it. Even send me if you have any comments how to using the F formula.